Brake cables are made out of stainless or galvanized steel and are under a lot of tension when you brake. Contrary to what some people think, the cables do wear, and that's probably a result of micro breaks in the filaments of the cables themselves. Hi, I'm Tony at Tony 10-Speed, and we're going to show you some things to check in terms of cables and housing to keep your brakes running smoothly and prevent problems. Let's take a look. Out in the road, when the brake cables begin to wear, you may feel them to be either sluggish or sticky. Check the brake cables for fraying, especially at the pinch bolts where they get most deformed. Examine the cables for cracks or discoloration. Any of these mentioned items suggest that you should go ahead and replace both the cable and housing. But if you're not having any problems with your brakes, the brake cables and housing look good, it is a general feeling that you should change the brake cables and housing approximately every 2 to 3 years to keep your brakes functioning properly. I like to perform preventive maintenance before I have problems. Prevention is the name of the game. If you have any comments, suggestions, please comment below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony of Tony 10-Speed. Safe cycling.